The exams are the next thing. The exams, there's 4 exams. Exams 1 and 3 have to be taken at a proctored testing site. It's either at any of the campuses. All the campuses have sites. The Godfrey campus has a walk-in testing center. You can walk in anytime during their hours and take the exam. The other campuses, it's best to call and set up an appointment. There's a testing center at the Nelson campus in Edwardsville. There's one at the Tri-County campus in Jerseyville, and there's one at the Carlinville campus in Carlinville. And you can take those tests anywhere. But those 3, you want to make sure that you call ahead and make sure that you set up a time to take it. Like I said, exams 1 and 3, the 2 of the exams are proctored. The other 2 exams, exams 3 and 4, are take-home exams. So somewhere around midterm, you'll have exam 2. You can take that anytime, any place you want, as long as it's completed by the due date. And then the last exam is also a take-home that you can take anywhere. Just make sure it's in by the due date. If we go up to the menu over here, you can see there's the link to the exams, and there's the link to exam study guides. Each exam has a study guide. There's a study guide 1, 2, and 3. When you open the study guides up, it's going to give you a list of the subject areas of each one of the questions. Let's see. Anyway, you can print it out, and that's going. You can hit print over here and it'll print it out. But each one of these e-commerce phenomena, that's what the first question's about. Pinterest issues, early years of e-commerce, Craigslist. Those are the subject areas of each question. So before you go into the exam, you want to probably take your textbook and write the page number where these items are in your textbook. You could take the study guide plus your textbook into the exams. So the proctored exams, you can have your study guide and your textbook to use as references for those exams, at exam 1 and exam 3. So I would use this exam study guide to make sure that you're prepared for the exam when it comes time for the exam. We can see that the menu here has, you can get to all the areas. Of course, assignments are here, the quizzes and exams are here. I've got the sample blog link here. Once you guys set up a blog, I'm going to put a link over here for your blog also. So under your group project, there'll be links for your projects, for your blogs. When you go into group project, you got a lot of tools that you can use. We go into e-commerce blog 1. You can see that the people have been assigned to that group. But you have a group discussion board, which is good. You can post messages to your group, and only your group can see this. You have a group file exchange. You can put files on there if you need to use files. You can send emails to your group members to try to make decisions. And that's what I would use to try to decide what you want your project on. Post some messages on the group discussion board, and that way you can reply to your members and come up with an idea for your group blogs. Once you come up with an idea, remember by next Friday I'd like to have the blog set up, and then that following week you start posting on that blog. So make sure you get it set up by Friday of next week. Here again, the home page, you got my contact information. So contact me if you need any other information. Hopefully you have a good summer.